to turn off Google trending searches, step-by-step guide. Google's trending searches can be informative, but sometimes distracting or irrelevant. However, if you want to avoid these distractions and stay concentrated on your searches, there's a simple way you can turn the feature off at Google. Google trending searches, among others, are the most popular worldwide and real-time. They appear on the Google homepage on cell phones and also in the Google bar on computers. Here's a simple step-by-step guide that you can use to turn off Google trending searches. First, open Google on your mobile browser and tap the three vertical dots, the menu in the top right corner. Select Settings, scroll down to Autocomplete and Trending Searches. Toggle off trending searches. Here's how to turn off trending searches on Google app on Android and iOS. Open the Google app, tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top left corner, select Settings, choose Account and Lists, then toggle off trending searches. Now here's how you can turn off trending searching on desktops. Open Google on your desktop browser and select the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Select Search Settings. Scroll down to Autocomplete and Trending Searches. Uncheck trending searches. How to use Google Light Mode. Enabling light mode on Google can also disable trending searches. Open Google on your browser, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner, and select Search Settings. Scroll down to Light Mode. Check the box next to Enable Light Mode. The benefits of disabling trending searches are to minimize distractions, regain focus on your searches, and reduce clutter on your browser.